Hi, this is Tammy Frazier, Education Consultant with IVS Computer Technology. Today I'd like to walk you through the steps in customizing and printing the paper underlay for use with the Smart Slate. The benefit in customizing this paper underlay is it allows you and your students quick access to the tools you use most often in the classroom while you're using your slate. So let's take a look at the steps we're going to take. First, we need to launch the Smart Control Panel, and we do need to have the slate powered on in order to customize the slate. So we'll slide that power switch to the left. And then we're going to look in the lower right-hand corner of the screen in the Windows notification area. We're looking for the Smartboard Tools icon. It looks like a blue square with a white circle. If you're on a Mac computer, you're going to find that icon in your dock, and you're going to control-click to get the menu. And in the menu that appears, we're going to choose the option. It's marked Control Panel. Once the Control Panel window opens, we're going to select Smart Hardware Settings. And if you have a Smart Slate and a Smartboard that's connected to your computer, you're going to see two options, and from there you'll choose Smart Slate. So let's go ahead and launch the Smart Control Panel, and we're going to do that by looking in the Windows notification area and selecting that Smartboard Tools icon. And then in the menu, we're looking for the option that's fifth from the bottom. It's marked Control Panel. So a window is going to pop up, and remember that the option we're looking for is Smart Hardware Settings. And I only have a Smart Slate connected, so it's going to bring me directly to my Smart Slate window. So now we're going to take a look at the steps we're going to take to actually customize that paper underlay so that we can print it and put it underneath the plastic cover on our slate. So we're going to, from that control panel, we're going to look for the drop-down menu, and the option we're looking for says Setup Underlay and Icon Strip. And then next we're going to choose the button that says Configure the Icon Strip. Those are the tools. Next, we're going to choose from the menu that appears the tools that we'd like to add and remove, and we can customize our tools. Then we're going to choose OK to close out that Add and Remove window. Next, we do need to press Apply for those changes to be saved. And last, we're going to select Print so that we can print that out and cut it and put it on the Smart Slate. So let's try it. Let's take a look and see what that looks like. So here we are in the control panel. We're looking for the drop-down menu. It's next to where it says Pen and Button Settings. And the option we're looking for is second from the bottom, Setup, Underlay, and Icon Strip. So I'm going to select that. And you'll notice that down at the bottom, we have three buttons. We're looking for that first one, Configure Icon Strip. This is where we're going to customize the tools. So once I select, you'll notice that on the left-hand side are the menu of choices we have to customize the slate. And then on the right-hand side is the default toolbar, the tools that we already have applied to our slate. So notice one tool that I can remove right away. Notice that my second tool is a select or cursor tool. So I'm going to just select that by clicking on it, and I'm going to choose Remove. And that's going to take it out of the toolbar and give me space for a new tool. So perhaps I'm a math teacher and I'd like to have a calculator, quick access. So I'm going to select that calculator, and then I'm going to choose Add. Notice that it brought it all the way at the bottom. If I'd like to bring it higher up, I'm just going to select and drag and then drop it where I'd like it. And so now the calculator is closer to the top of that underlay. So once you've customized that underlay, we're going to come to the bottom and we're going to select OK. And then now that it's been closed out that window, we're going to choose in the bottom right, Apply, so that those changes are saved. And then now that those changes are saved, we need to print the new underlay, and we do that just by selecting Print. So good luck, and I hope you enjoy using your new customized underlay in your classroom.